We've got a bad valve in one of the ranch pipelines. We're going to fix it today. We like to use these gate valves. My brother already has the faulty valve dug up. We're going to build the valve here in the shop, and then we'll glue it into the pipeline. Let's go over all the materials and supplies that we'll need for this job. Brass gate valve. We always use brass. It stands up to our corrosive water. 2 Schedule 80 male adapters. Thread tape, pipe dope, PVC primer, and PVC cement. Need a scrap piece of PVC. This is 1.25 inches, 200 psi. Here's our pipeline tub. We've got everything we need in there. I'll need a Sharpie, tape measure, some electrical tape, simple hacksaw, some paper towels, and some kind of plastic. We just got trash bags. Okay, let's put the valve together. First things first, we need to make sure that this packing nut is tight. They are not always tight. That one's pretty good. I like to make sure this nut's tight too. Yes. And some pipe dope. Not too tight. That plastic can crack. Now, same on the other side. And there we are, new valve for the pipeline. Come on, do it. And here we are. Here's the bad valve my brother dug up a couple days ago. And in the background is the well house. First thing we're going to do is go to the well house, turn the water off, and then there's a stock tank about a 1/4 mile that way. We're going to pull the float bob off, let all the water drain into there. Just a thumb screw that holds that on. It's our valve turning tool. Make sure this is open, draining. This plastic keeps dirt out of the valve, out of the standpipe. Stay. The red color is from the iron content in our water. This valve's been leaking. There it is. Now I'll cut the other side. Got water coming from both sides. Depending on how much more water drains out of that pipe, I might have to go get the backhoe, dig it out, so I can get down there and glue it. Right, now we got a little sump hole for all that water. It's just more water than we should get. I'm almost thinking there's a valve that way that's not closed all the way, or it's leaking by, and the other well is pushing water up here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, that valve is open. That should solve the problem. That's more like it, Herb. I should have checked that valve on the way up there. Now I'm going to scoop the rest of that water out. Then I'll drop in some dry dirt, make it easier to work on it. We'll glue it up. Well, my phone died in the heat again as I was gluing that valve in. So I primed it, glued it, and turned the valve off so no water can leak back through. We got this side primed. We're gonna put a coupling down there on that end. Then we'll bend the pipe in. Likes to push off till it gets set. Twist it a little bit. Get that excess off. So there's our setup. We got our pipe elevated out of the dirt. We're all set up here. We're gonna dry that last little bit of drip off. Then we're gonna prime and glue the pipe real quick. I'm gonna hold that pipe down. Get that last little drip out. And I get a big dab of glue. Wipe off the excess later. Both sides. All right, look out, Herb. Here we go. I like it. Feels good. Just hold that till it sets. There it is. That's it for now. We're gonna let that glue set with no water pressure on it for about 2 hours. All right, it's been about 2 hours. Get this tank fixed, and we'll turn our valves on. Put water back in the pipeline. There we go. Get this water flowing. The PVC glue has had about a 2-hour set time. Now I'm going to turn on all 3 valves. We're going to pressurize the pipeline, then we'll check for leaks. We had the water on all night. The pipe's under pressure. Looks good. I have to move the standpipe over about 2 inches. This trash bag will protect the valve from the dirt. Now I'll clean up, then reuse that trash bag for a plastic sock around the standpipe. electrical tape to seal everything up. That should be enough dirt and soil to hold that standpipe in place. Now we got to cover the pipe up, bed the pipe before we push dirt with the tractor. Thanks for your help. Hope to see you again for another ranch project at the Windmill Garden.